In this video, I'll show you how to build an automation in N8N. Start by signing into your N8N account and click Create Workflow to start a new automation. Next, click the Add First Step button or the plus button in the workflow canvas to add a trigger. After that, choose the trigger that will start your automation. For example, you can use Schedule Trigger, Webhook, Manual Trigger, or another trigger that matches your workflow. Now configure the trigger by filling in the required settings. Next, click the plus button to add another node. Search for the app or service you want to automate, such as Google Sheets, Gmail, Airtable, Slack, or another supported integration. After that, connect your account if prompted and select the action you want the node to perform. Now continue adding more nodes to build your automation. Connect each node together and map the data from one step to the next. Next, click Execute Workflow to test your automation. Check the output of each node and confirm that every step runs successfully. After that, make any adjustments needed until your workflow performs exactly as expected. Finally, click Activate in the top right corner to enable the workflow. Your automation will now run automatically whenever the selected trigger is activated. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build an automation in N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.